Hi everybody, it's Maggie from Haunted Designs. I just wanted to go over quickly with you on how to use overlays for my marquee light bulbs if you have my clipart membership, or this really works for any kind of overlays that you would purchase on any website that you would want to use. So we're going to start with our base, and that it would be our letter A that we have here. So we just drag it in, and then we want to put a marquee bulb overlay on top of it. This is something that's already pre-made that we want over top of our other elements. So I'm going to drag the A marquee bulb in there and see how it perfectly just lays right over top of it. Now you can go over here and export it as a PNG if you want to save it as a completed project, or you can continue to work in the same space that you're in. But overlays are super easy. And if you don't want a background, always make sure you save it as a PNG. Have a great day, guys.